Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and today I want to talk about one of the more recent additions to the toothbrush world. It's called the Sonic Fusion. It's made by Waterpik. What's good about it is it combines the use of a Waterpik with a toothbrush. I have one and I have used it, and it does have advantages. It has a built-in 2-minute timer. You can choose between brush, floss, or both. It claims to be 2 times as effective as regular brushing or flossing. Not sure about that. You can adjust the pressure of the water as you can with a Waterpik. You do get 2 brush heads with this, small and like regular size. Traveling case. It's easy to hold. Yeah, it's easy to hold, but they're all pretty easy to hold, in my opinion. Okay, here's my wonderful disclosing solution, which I used before. Of course, my lips will look red for the rest of the day. People are going to say, hey, who you've been kissing, or who's kissing you? Well, it's the disclosing solution that I'm being kissed by. Let me just show you how this works. This is the brush activated. You can hear it. And this is just the Waterpik part. I like the Waterpik on high pressure, so I'm going to use this on high pressure along with the brush at the same time. And then we'll take a look and see what the results are like. So I'm not going to start the Waterpik out of my mouth because I'll need new ceilings and new floors. Water is exhausted. It felt pretty good. Felt like I was getting good stimulation and good cleaning. Now right down here I have a temporary composite, so that picks up a little bit more stain till that's replaced with a permanent veneer. I think the toothbrush is fine. I'm a little disappointed in the fact that there's a little more disclosing solution left than I would have expected. On the other hand, I was pleasantly surprised by the power of the water jet. That was a little stronger than I expected. But at this point, I feel more confident in using a separate toothbrush and a separate Waterpik. I use the Waterpik on high pressure at least twice a day. This does not replace flossing. What might replace flossing are the Softpick Advanced that I use between my teeth. And I think if you use those, flossing is not critical. I still floss once a week, maybe twice, but I don't floss daily. I don't think it's necessary when I'm using those soft picks to stimulate, massage, and clean between the teeth in a very, very, what I feel, effective and thorough way. But I have no objection to flossing. So my take on this is, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. If you want to combine the Waterpik with brushing, okay. But my own feeling is I can get more strength and effectiveness with a Waterpik by itself than the Waterpik when it's attached to the toothbrush, because as I said, I do believe the brush kind of dilutes the power of that water to some extent. So once again, I think most of these electric toothbrushes do a great job, and I think you can do a great job with a manual toothbrush also. Just make sure that you do clean thoroughly. I would Waterpik. I would use interproximal cleaners or floss, because you have to have your mouth healthy. Because if your mouth isn't healthy, you will simply not be as healthy as you could be. Remember, healthy mouth, healthier body. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think there's a bell you can set off so you'll be alerted when I do a new video. We'd love to hear from you. Questions, comments. Most importantly, have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.